Hello, bonjour tout le monde. Today I'm going to talk about French courses for the beginners. First of all, we have to talk about greetings, then caller, then subject pronoun, then avoir, être verb, be and have verb, caller, number, adjective, adverb, and sentence making pattern, SVO, etc. Bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonne nuit. These are the four greetings we can talk from morning to evening. These are the basic greetings. Bonjour, bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonne nuit. Au revoir, bye bye. Bonjour, good morning, or all the time greetings is bonjour. Normally in the evening time we don't say bonjour, but in the daytime we can say bonjour. Bon après-midi, good afternoon. Bonsoir, good evening. Bonne nuit, good evening, good night. Au revoir, bye bye. Enchanté, nice meeting you. Enchanté, nice meeting you. Then we can say, how are you? Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? How are you for the stranger or seniors, or this the familiar way. Say, how are you? Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? Then we can talk about some best wishes or greetings like this. Bon voyage, nice trip. Bon travail, nice work. Bonne chance, good luck. Bon appétit, enjoy meal. Bon anniversaire, happy birthday. Bon anniversaire, happy birthday. Bon Noël, happy new year. Normalement, bon means happy, or some greets. Before greets we say bon. Bon means good or nice. This way, these are the greetings. How to say excuse and compliment like this? Félicitations, félicitations, congratulations. Désolé, sorry. Pardon, pardon me. Pardon, pardon me. Excusez-moi, excuse me. These are the excuse and compliments like this. And greetings already talk. Then the number. Number 0 to 60 number. Very different pattern. After 16, 17, 18, 19, same pattern. 20 different pattern. 21 to 38, 29. 31 to 39. 41 to 49. 51 to 59, same pattern. Like English. After 60 to 79, same pattern. 80 to 99, same pattern. 100. It's amazing that if we say 80, 80 for 20, then we can say 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, 11, 12 like this. Add with 80. 80 plus 1, 81. 82, 82. 90, 90. 91, 91. 90 with 420, 18, 98 like this. 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60. This way we count the number. For example, 71, 71, 71, 71. Once again, I will talk about 0 to 16 how to say. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 9, like this. 80, 80, 80, 81, 81, 82, 82, 84, 84, like this. This way we say the number. Then we talk about auxiliary verb be and have. Comme dit les verbes auxiliaires en français comme avoir, être. Avoir, ça veut dire have, has en anglais. Être, ça veut dire be, is, am, are en anglais. Avoir verb, it is like have, has. Être verb, is, am, are. Subject pronoun. Je, I, tu, you, unpolite or familiar. Il, elle, ici. Nous, we. Vous, you. Singular and plural, both. Ils, else. They, masculine. They, feminine. How to add be verb and have verb with subject pronoun. Je suis. I am. This is be verb. Être verb. Je suis. Tu es. You are. Il est. He is. Elle est. She is. Nous sommes. We are. Vous êtes. You are. Ils sont. They are. Elles sont. They are. How to use have verb. Je ai. J'ai. I have. Tu as. You have. Il a. He has. Elle a. She has. Nous avons. We have. Vous avez. You have. Ils ont. Elles ont. They have masculine. They have feminine. This way, we can add the subject pronoun with avoir, être verb. In English, the pattern of sentence making SVO, subject, verb, object. En français, aussi, c'est la même chose. Sujet plus verbe plus objet. Normalement, le verbe auxiliaire, avoir, être et verbe principal qui fait le travail, qui fait l'action. The principal verb which acts directly. Sometimes auxiliary verb comes with main verb principal, mais normalement auxiliary verb qui vient seul dans la phrase. Je suis français. I am French. Je suis français. After that, we talk about the items in classroom, item in house, some adverb, some adjective like this, like adverb, time adverb, frequency adverb, place adverb, here, there, far, near, the preposition a, to, at, in. This is very common preposition a, to, at, in. The, from, to, of. Very common preposition. Then we talk about adverb. Depuis, since, pour, for. Then adverb déjà, already. Tôt, late. Tôt, early. Rata, late. I mention all this in my video. These are the general description of the video, what you can get from this video. We have better description in writing overall in this my video. We talk about family, famille, la famille, mère, père, sœur, frère, tante, oncle, grand-mère, grand-père, grand-fille, grand-fils, mari, femme, garçon, fille, comme ça. Then we talk about something in house, like maison, house, salle de bain, bathroom, cuisine, kitchen, frigo, fridge, ascensor, lift, couloir, corridor, balcon, balcony, toit, like plancher, floor, plafond, ceiling, fenêtre, window, pot, door, tapis, carpet, frigo, fridge, micro-onde, microwave, gas. This way we talk about the items inside the house. Lit, bed, table, table, chaise, chair, canapé, sofa, rideau, curtain, television, radio, telephone. Then we talk about some color. Liqueur, white, green, rouge, red, jaune, yellow, noir, black, blanc, white, gris, black and white, violet, rose, pink, and then jaune, yellow, blue. This way we talk about the color, and we already talk about the family. How to make the sentence, we say SVO form. Then other we talk about like this, fruits and vegetable, legume, vegetable, fruits, banana, pom, apple, carrot, potato, pom, potato, apple, pomme de terre, potato, frit, French fries, baguette, French bread, pain, bread, escargot, snail, grenouille, frog, like this, poisson, fish, viande, meat, poulet, chicken, kiana, dog meat, like this, lapin, rabbit. Same way we talk about vegetable, and we talk about fruits, like this. This way we learn French language in early time. Same time we talk about the article. In French, like English, we have an article a and the, la, le, un, une, de. La, le, this is for article definite. Un, une, de, article indefinite. Masculine, feminine. Everywhere French items name called masculine and feminine. We talk about the country, Canada, China, China, Japan, France, Allemand, Germany, Spain, Portugal, Tunisia, Arab, Angleterre, UK, Luxembourg, Belgium, Italy, Swiss, Switzerland, Russia, aux États-Unis, USA. Same way we talk, this is the name of the country. About the profession, infirmier, nurse, professor, teacher, madam, mademoiselle, miss, monsieur, sir, pilote, pilot, soldat, army, gendarme, police, polícia, police, avocat, advocate, comptable, accountant, mannequin, model, médecin, doctor. These way, boulanger, bread maker, poissonnier, fish maker. This way we talk about the profession. Normally there is no article in front of the profession. This way we can learn French language. This is the course of early learn French for new beginner. I mention all the things whatever I told you in this video in description or in writing. You can check it. I'll put the video on this slide. You can check and you can learn. Merci beaucoup pour votre attention. Au revoir, bonne journée. Merci beaucoup.